There's no doubt that the last 6 months have
been very challenging for all of us.
Lockdowns, office closures, PPE shortages.
Reopening your office with new protocols.
We know this has been very stressful.
But we are in this together.
Territory representatives,
equipment and technology specialists,
design team,
equipment support team,
and regional managers.
We are here for you.
All of us in the SoCal Benco team want to say
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For putting your trust in all of us.
And Benco Dental during these difficult times.
Together.
With all of you, we can drive dentistry forward.
Hey everybody, Benco Bob here. That was a project that the Southern California Benco Dental team put together as a way of saying thank you to all of you, our customers, for putting your trust in all of us and Benco Dental during these challenging times the last 6 months. We want to thank you for your support, and we look forward to a successful future together. Intraoral scanners. I know many of you have been thinking about it. Let's take a look at them. We've got some great options with some great financing. Carestream, Itero, Cavocur, all have some great options at some great price points. Let's get a demo scheduled so you can get started in intraoral scanning. It is the future, and I do feel confident with the technology to tell you that I recommend that you start looking at intraoral scanning at this time. Friedy extended the 5+1 deal on scalers through the end of October, so make sure if you want to take advantage of it, you have till the end of the month. It's a great deal and really nice of them to extend that promotion. Don't forget about our deal on the Variosonic welcome kit. Buy 3, get 1 free. It brings your net cost down to below $25 per brush. This is a great brush to sell your patients. Give it as a gift to your staff for all the hard work they've done. Or, you know, with the holidays coming up, you could be that guy in the family that gives toothbrushes to everybody. It's a quick one-stop shop. You don't have to go to the mall because you know the malls are going to be nuts with all the reduced volume of traffic in there. So here's a great opportunity to give a great gift at a great price. This week's webinar in our Dentistry 2020 and Beyond series, the state of infection control, PPE, and supplies, today and going forward. The featured speaker is Leslie Canham, who many of you have heard speak over the years. She will be discussing all of the PPE, the infection control protocols, CDC recommendations, and how to get some of these supplies and what you should be using. It will be Wednesday, October 21st at 4 p.m. Pacific, so please make sure you catch it. It will be recorded. If you can't catch it live, you can catch it the next day or so. Please remember that our Dentistry 2020 and Beyond webinar series is going bi-weekly through the end of the year, but we hope to go back to a weekly webinar starting in January. There has been some discussion about doing some of these webinars on West Coast times, you know, that are in the evening, so you can catch them live and get the CE. Stay tuned. They are working on that, and we should know more here shortly. PPE update time.
I need that bed.
Why?
Because I need it.
Why?
Because if someone were to break in here in the middle of the night wanting to murder us, they would attack this bed first. So I need this bed.
Well, not much is happening in the PPE world these days. We've been seeing wipes and cold steriles coming in. Masks have been in pretty good supply. Things are definitely getting better from where they were even a month ago. So stay tuned. Bear with us. I think through the end of the year it's going to be kind of spotty like this, but things are improving. The only thing that we're having issues with are the jackets and lab coats, you know, the button down in the front. Those are just very difficult to come by these days, but you know, hopefully we will see some. Medicom out of Canada seems to be sending more than any other company, so stay tuned. I know many of you have been asking me about the jackets. We put them on order for you, so you're in the queue. When they come in, your back orders will be fulfilled. If you're not a Benco Dental customer and want to hear what the Benco difference is all about, reach out to me at the number below. If I'm not in your area, I will find you a friendly Benco dental rep that is, and they would love to share with you what the Benco difference is all about. Please don't forget to friend me on Facebook, subscribe to the channel, like this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Please remember that these videos will be bi-weekly through the end of the year due to some personal commitments and just the craziness of the fourth quarter. So I will post them every other week, but in between I will be posting on Facebook. So this is a great time for you to friend me on Facebook. And I promise, no cat videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great 2 weeks, and we'll see you soon.